Right in front of me, we have an absolutely amazing opportunity. We have Cetus protocol, and this is going to be my price prediction for Cetus protocol. Recently, with the Binance listing, we have an absolutely amazing pump of this project. Looking at the percentages, we can see here, we have an entry point right here with the indicator. We have another entry point right here. So let's say you actually took the entry point here. This is on the 4-hour time frame, so it's not that many days ago. You would have an entry point right here and an exit point right here, 27%, roughly 50% because usually we trade with 2x leverage, not more than that because we're here for the win rate, we're not here to gamble. Looking at a 2x already, compounding the interest from the 2x, we would probably break even on this little short right here. But then another entry point right here, all the way up to here, 100% with 2x leverage, that's 2x. So first a 50% gain. So if you invested $1,000, then you would have $1,500 here, and then doing a 2x here, you would have $3,000. So just from one single Binance listing, one single pump, we went from $500 to $3,000. That's absolutely amazing. Such an amazing opportunity. But where is the project heading next? What is the price prediction for Cetus protocol? Let's talk about it because this is a very unique project. How often do you see a project with a low market cap, high utility, Binance backing, listed like 1.5 years ago and just been idling, backed by Binance and more? This is such an amazing opportunity that we need to talk about. Comparing it to other amazing projects, we can see market caps going from all the way from 5 billion down to 1 billion, ranging in between there. Comparing it to $2.5 billion market cap, we would be looking at almost a 15x, a 10 to 15x easily. And in the absolute best possible opportunity, we would be looking at a 20 to 25x. But taking all things into account, the fully diluted market cap is a little bit higher. So I would say a project like this is more reasonable to do a 10x, have the capacity for a 10x. So that's what we will be keeping in mind. Looking at the trading volumes to similarly sized projects to where we want to go, not where we are, but where we want to go with this project, we can see that they're ranging between 100 million to like 500 million. And looking at this one, 384 million. Comparing that to the market cap, it's absolutely crazy. It means that doing a 2x from here, a 3x from here is easy, absolutely easy. When people realize that, oh shit, it's not dipping down again, it's pumping again, people are gonna start running into this project like crazy. Hundreds of millions of dollars are gonna be poured in. Now that we know the potential for this project, let's talk about what you do in a situation like this. If you miss the entry point down here, if you miss the entry point down here, when the hell do you actually enter so you don't end up losing your money? Yes, the project could go down from here. We can't predict the future and we're not here to gamble. What I do is sometimes I take a quick look on a fast time frame. On the 2-hour time frame, we see absolutely green, green, green. And what we could do from here is enter the project. This is very ballsy and it could end up losing you money, but if you want to be in on it, we see Bitcoin in the green, we see Bitcoin in the green on the daily time frame. Of course, it's due to a bunch of stuff happening in the world, but we see Bitcoin in the green. Bitcoin doesn't seem to want to go down right now. If we have a look at Bitcoin on the 4-hour time frame, if we have a look at Bitcoin on the 2-hour time frame, as long as this is not red on our trend trading indicator, then I don't have to worry as much. But if it's about to turn red on the 2-hour, it's a little bit going down. Checking on the 4-hour, there's more volatility on the 2-hour. It's not going to be as predictable. It could be a good opportunity to enter right now, but you are carrying the risk of it dipping down now. If you want to trade with the absolutely lowest amount of risk and highest possible win rate, what you need to do is wait for a trend change. Looking at the daily time frame, we had a trend change all the way down here, 0.05. Imagine you traded Cetus protocol here with the trend trading indicator on the daily time frame. You would have made, going from all the way down here, all the way up here, 144%. If you sold at the top, 300% almost. That's absolutely amazing. With 2x leverage, that's a 6x. And going from the new entry point all the way up here, we'll be seeing another 2x. Just being able to trade this all the way back here. It's very hard to keep track of all these projects, but that's why we're doing it for you here on the YouTube channel, on my X account, and of course on the Patreon. This is where you can find all of the tracking. We're doing all the posts on all the projects that we are tracking, and you'll also be able to ask for tracking so that we'll start tracking your project. So for the honest price prediction, I said 10x. We would be looking at a $3 Cetus protocol if everything goes fine. But we cannot just be basing buying, holding. We need a strategy to follow the trend. That's why I spent so much time talking about it. I know some of you guys might not be used to trend trading, but that's what we do here. It's how we have the highest possible win rate and make as much money as possible. I'll keep you guys up to date as well as I can. Thank you so much for watching. Good luck out there in the market, and I'll see you guys next time.